Welcome back to Label's Playroom! Nandito na naman si ate para ituro sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng bracelet. Tulad nito, gamit ang nylon. And tada! Here are the materials we need to use for our project. First is mixed beads. Next is nylon. We also need scissors. Tandaan, mag-ingat sa paggamit ng gunting.
Okay!
Meron din dapat tayong lighter to seal the parts. Gagamitin naman natin itong clips mamaya to close the clasp. We'll be using round nose pliers naman for the tool. Kung magbe-bend naman kayo ng wires, mas mainam gamitin ito kasi may iwasan ninyong masagatan yung wire dahil wala itong teeth unlike ng ibang pliers. Also, accessory glue. And lastly is a set of stainless steel. In this part, we'll be using nylon at kanina, kinat ko na ito ng 24 inches. Hanapin natin yung magkabilang dulo ng nylon, pagtabihin at ipantay. Kumuha naman tayo ng connector clasp. Sa papaloob na direksyon, ilusot natin sa butas yung both ends ng nylon. Kunin natin yung end part, gupitin with the use of scissors, then buhulin. Make sure lang roomy na both ends ng nylon yung isasama mo sa pagbuhol, okay? Then higpitan. I-cut lang natin yung excess, then seal it with lighter, like this.
Nice!
Then iusog na lang natin yung clasp para mapagitnaan na yung tip. Let's apply glue to seal it. Then close it. And you can use clip para ma-maintain yung position ng clasp. Then let it dry. Dito naman tayo mag-focus sa dulong part ng nylon. Dito na natin ipapasok yung mga beads. Let's see if naka 6 cm na tayo. Alright, next is kukunin na natin itong tube bail. Ito yung magsisilbing kapitan ng pendant natin mamaya. Then continue na lang tayong magpasok ng beads. Then make sure din roomy na naka 6 cm na yung part na to. Medyo iniba lang namin yung design dahil balak nating ibigay to kay Hazel as an appreciation gift for giving us suggestions sa mga ina-upload nating tutorial every week. Thank you po. Hope you like it. Now, kumuha ulit tayo ng connector clasp. This time, hindi na gantong posisyon yung pagpasok, kundi papalabas na. Medyo open lang natin yung clasp para masagad natin yung buhol. Higpitan na lang natin, gupitin, at isil. Tada! Here's the result. Now we're going to focus sa part na to. Get the glue, lagyan natin yung both sides, then close it. Para tuluyang mag-close, use a clip. In this part naman, maglalagay na tayo ng lock. Get the size 6 na ring, then twist to open. Get the bracelet, ipasok lang natin yung ring sa clasp. Kunin natin yung lobster lock, insert lang natin sa ring. And then twist para malak. Ganito yung kalalabasan. Doon naman tayo sa kabilang part. Dito naman natin ikakabit yung allowance. Ikakabit naman natin itong 5 pieces of rings na size 5 dito sa nag-iisang size 6 ring. Ganito ang kalalabasan. Kunin lang natin yung bracelet at i-connect lang natin ito sa clasp like this. For the last part, lagyan na lang natin ng pendant. Get a size 5 ring, twist to open, then i-insert lang natin yung pendant. Lastly, get the bracelet. I-insert lang natin yung ring, then lock. At last, finish na rin yung stainless steel bracelet na ibibigay natin kay Hazel.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration.
And kung talagang nag-enjoy ka sa tutorial na to, pwede mo bang i-hit ang like, subscribe, and notification bell below para palagi tayong magkukumustahan.
Okay!
And follow us on our social media accounts here and here.
Okay!
Thank you very much. We love you and God bless you all.